Good evening. Welcome back to your daily dose of medical news. I'm your host, Dr. G. Singh, bringing you the biggest breakthroughs and updates for today, May 13, 2026. Today, we are covering massive weight loss updates for seniors, a new AI tool for cardiac arrests, and how your daily habits might be showing early signs of dementia. Let's dive in. Quick headlines segment. Wegovy pill shows massive success in older adults. AI predicted to revolutionize cardiac arrest risk detection. Daily speech patterns linked to cognitive health. Segment 1, the new era of weight loss and metabolism. Headline, Wegovy pill delivers 21.6% weight loss in seniors. Details, new data from the OASIS-4 clinical trial, presented at the European Congress on Obesity, ECO, 2026, shows that nearly one-third of adults, early responders, taking a 25 mg oral semaglutide pill lost over 21% of their body weight. Key takeaway, crucially, the study showed double the mobility improvement for seniors with poor physical function, aiding in bending and walking. Context, this reinforces that GLP-1 therapy remains a dominant, expanding trend in 2026 for both weight loss and mobility in older populations. Segment 2, AI and heart health technology. Headline, AI models predict cardiac arrests using health records. Details, researchers have developed artificial intelligence models that analyze electronic health records, HER, and ECGs to identify individuals at high risk for sudden cardiac arrest, a condition with low survival rates. Impact, this technology allows for preemptive care, targeting the 400,000 plus US deaths caused by this condition annually. Trend, as AI technology advances in 2026, regulators are integrating these tools into clinical trials to make diagnostics faster and safer. This video explains how AI is used for early disease detection. Segment 3, Cognitive Health and Daily Speech. Headline, Are your Romson pauses a sign of dementia? Details, new research released today suggests that daily speech patterns, specifically hesitation, fillers, and pausing, are closely tied to executive function. Key takeaway, struggling to find words often is not just a sign of fatigue, but an early warning sign of dementia-related brain inflammation, potentially accelerated by disrupted circadian rhythms. Segment 4, Fast-breaking news and emerging science. Cancer and aging, new drugs are showing promise in destroying zombie cells, senescent cells that linger after chemo, by targeting their protective protein, GPX4. Gut health and autism, selective eating habits in children with autism are linked to inflammatory gut bacteria, providing new avenues for dietary intervention. Environment and health, as of today, Delhi, India, is battling extremely poor air quality, AQI and GT, 150, ranking among the top 10 most polluted cities in the world. Vaccine update, Medscape News reports that the first-line vaccine in decades is nearing final approval, a huge win for public health. People who still use paper calendars. Asterisk psychologists say people who still use paper calendars aren't stubborn or old-fashioned. Their brains are wired to process information in a richer way. Asterisk. Handwriting on paper doesn't just feel different. It forces the brain into a deeper kind of encoding that screens cannot trigger, and the difference shows up on MRI scans within an hour. DailyGalaxy.com. White coat hypertension. For years, white coat hypertension was viewed as a harmless curiosity. But research has shown otherwise. Studies published in Hypertension and Journal of the American College of Cardiology reveal that patients with consistently elevated readings in the clinic, even if normal at home, have a higher risk of cardiovascular disease compared to those with uniformly normal readings. The waiting room is not neutral. Anxiety itself can drive physiologic changes that impact the heart and vascular system. Kevin.com. Doppler-based surveillance. Guidelines on fetal growth restriction agree on Doppler-based surveillance but differ in definitions and management strategies. Key discrepancies include biometric thresholds, use of ductus venosus, and computerized cardiotocography, reflecting varied evidence and resources. Medscape. Call to action. Which of these breakthroughs shocked you the most? Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for daily medical updates, and share this video with a friend who loves science. See you next time, and stay healthy. Disclaimer: compiled information. This content is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. The audience/viewers must verify the contents before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be responsible for any harm.